Hi there, it's Chris here from selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this Influencers Hub review. For those of you out there who are looking to increase your traffic, increase your audience, increase your followers, and therefore increase your revenue using social media and especially influencer marketing, and you're not really sure how to get into that, this product is definitely for you. Today we're going to take a deep dive into Influencers Hub, an over-the-shoulder look, show you exactly what it does, and as well as that, I've gotten you some really cool bonuses that are going to go hand in hand, that are going to help you get the absolute most out of it and really hit the ground running. So before we get into all that though, it'd really help me out if you dropped a like on this video, hit subscribe, and turn on that little bell notification if you want to be updated or have honest reviews on new products that are coming out. As well as that, if you stick around, I've also gotten some exclusive discount codes that the vendor has hooked me up with that I will disclose at the end of this video. So look forward to that. Now, if any time you want to jump ahead and check out Influencers Hub on your own, I recommend you click that link in the description because then you'll be entitled to all of these bonuses that I've gotten for you. So if you click that link in the description, you'll be taken through to my bonus page, which looks like this. You have the legal stuff at the top as well as my contact details. And the way my bonus page works is it is integrated with the official Influencers Hub vendor sales page. So what that means is if you click on any of these green buttons, it will essentially lock in all of those bonuses before then sending you off to the vendor sales page where you can then purchase. If you do purchase, you'll be sent Influencers Hub, but also this massive bundle of bonuses together with it so that you can access all at the same time, easy peasy. The first bonus I've gotten for you here is Instagram marketing. So obviously that's going to go hand in hand with Influencers Hub really well. Influencers Hub is going to tell you how to get in touch with people, but on the marketing side, there's also some real gold nuggets in here on how to function as a business in probably the most used platform out there right now, Instagram. The second bonus I've gotten for you is a two-part bonus. One is another influencer marketing product that contains a lot of gold nuggets in there about how to contact people, the ways to communicate, who you should be targeting, and things like that. And I also threw in $1 Million Copy if you want to kind of make sales letters or sales videos or contact people that you want to maybe sell services to, or whenever you're sending emails or whatever. It's really important that you understand how to hit those emotional strings on people, because it's the emotions that make people buy. Usually people, they speak in terms of functions and features, and they don't really speak to the emotions of people, which is what you really need to learn how to do if you want to make money really in anything. So bonus number 3, I've gotten you Facebook Group Unleashed. And this is a product that I used, and then that pushed me to getting involved with Facebook groups massively. So if you want another way to start generating traffic to your products, offers, blog, or wherever, Facebook groups, always super targeted and always people who are super amped about any particular topic, and always looking out for new things. So if you're in whatever niche you're in, using Facebook groups is going to be really valuable to you. I've made a lot of sales via Facebook groups. Bonus 4 I've gotten for you is Facebook ads. So if you want to put a little bit of money, even if it's $5 a day or $3 or sometimes as low as $1 a day, into giving you a little bit of extra boost in getting traffic from social media, this product, Facebook ads, is going to tell you exactly how to run ads properly. I've looked at a bunch of products that tell you how to run Facebook ads. There's inconsistencies. Some people say do this, some people say do that. This one, it tells you just what to do. And it's all right, and it's all proven, and a really, really good product if you want to put a bit of money into your business. Bonus number 5 I've gotten for you. The vendor has hooked me up with a massive, massive bonus bundle. 35 pages of bonuses, probably about 25 bonuses in there, including things like things related to plugins for your site, stuff on content strategies, different social media platform products, a bunch of training on social media, email, building websites, building an online business, drop shipping, e-commerce. There's just a ton of bonuses that they've sent me, almost too much, whereby this video is going to drag on forever if I show you. Here's 2 here. We've got Alta stores for reselling items, and if I just scroll through what they've hooked me up with, there's just a massive amount of bonuses here that they've hooked me up with in order to give to you. Just tons of value there. So if that all sounds good to you, it's step one. Click the link in the description. You'll go through to my bonus page. Click on any of these green buttons that will lock in those bonuses, as I said, and send you off to the vendor sales page, which looks like this. I'd recommend going through this in your own time. And if you do decide to purchase, again, you'll be sent all my bonuses. You're getting a massive thousands of dollars worth of bonuses along with it. And if you do purchase, again, you'll be sent a digital receipt, which looks like this. And it's really easy to access. Under the green button, Influencers Hub, your credentials and things like that. Under the blue button, all the bonuses I just talked about. Do make note though that this is a launch week special. So keep your eye on this countdown timer, because any exclusive discount codes or bonuses that you're getting through my link, they will run out when this hits 0. So make sure you get in. The sooner you get in, basically, the more you get for the least price. So right now we're going to get into a demo of Influencers Hub. So let's get into it. All right, I hope you enjoyed that demo. I hope you're excited to get your hands on Influencers Hub and seeing exactly what it can do. It's a very powerful tool there. It's going to save you a lot of time, money, and guesswork with contacting influencers, getting into this mysterious marketing strategy called influencer marketing. It is not as difficult as it seems. So really quickly, before we check out, on my bonus page again, you can check out what to expect when you are going through when you're buying Influencers Hub, what you can get and how much it is. So Influencers Hub, the basic one, basically everything you saw in the video, $47 going up to $97. Remember, we got the discount codes coming up in just a second, and everything you get here, really what you saw in the video. You can upgrade to Influencers Hub Pro, which gets you automated messaging, multiple influencers, adding them to groups, sending bulk messages to influencer groups, marketing message templates, and image editing web apps. A further upgrade is the reseller license, so you can resell this product and accounts on this product as your own product, and obviously you get all the commissions for that. This is great if you're an agency and you want to offer the services or streamline even your own processes. Maybe you're already an IG agent, or you're helping people out with their social media. You can then build 250 accounts with this for your clients. I should also say that you do only need this Influencer Hub basic option in order to get access to all those bonuses. So don't feel like you need to upgrade in order to get all the bonuses that we talked about at the beginning of this video. So really, if you think about it, just a ton of value you're getting if you get in early for $47. Check out the discount codes on the screen right now.